Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm just going to be doing a what I got myself for Christmas haul. That's right. I get myself things for Christmas. I'm at the age where I love giving myself things for Christmas because one, who else going to do it if I don't do it for myself? I mean, I get gifts from, family and all of that good stuff. However, I don't expect them to get the big things on my wish list. And I had some pretty lofty things on my wish list for myself this year. And I felt like I had a pretty good year this year. Treat myself, okay? I talked about this in my What to Get Others video. I did a little snippet at the end of that video telling you what I thought I was going to get myself. Now the time has come to share with you guys what I got myself this holiday season, and I'm pretty happy with what I've gotten myself. A lot of the stuff I got on Black Friday and then a couple of days after Black Friday, so Cyber Monday, so there was a discount on some of these things. Some things there were not, some things there were. So keep that in mind. My birthday fell on Thanksgiving this year. So just 24 hours later, being Black Friday, birthday, Christmas, it all gels together. It all comes together. So the first thing I want to talk about was something I think I talked about in my jewelry collection video that I was thinking about getting, followed up in my Christmas video. No one talked me out of it. I said in that video, talk me out of it if you don't think it's worth it. Some of you guys were like, get it. I love it. I love my Aura ring. I love my Aura ring. I got the Aura ring. So that was the Aura ring, the 4th generation of it. I got this from Amazon, and technically I bought it with my HSA. Well, not technically. I used my HSA, health savings account card, in the system when I bought it, and it was approved. It took it. So I'm like, did I pay for it? Yes. Did it come from my health savings account? Yes, as well. Girl math was that it was free. Girl math is that this Aura ring, I got the gold version as well. You guys know how I am. I'm going to do gold. I have only had it at this point for a few days, so not long at all to say I love it. It's revolutionized my life, but I've slept in it now for a week, so I've had it for a week. It takes a little bit of time to calibrate on other things like stress. The ring has to take time to get to know you, which I love about it, but I do want to, in 2025, be more active, just be on top of things. I like the heart monitoring of it all. I like just the health stats that it gives. I don't love my Apple Watch as much as I did like years ago. I was like, I love my Apple Watch. When I had a Fitbit before the Apple Watch, I love that. Then I wanted to start wearing like other jewelry. My jewelry preferences changed, and that big Apple Watch sometimes was not going with the vibes I was trying to bring in the outfits, but I still wanted those health benefits of it. So we got it. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to sound like a broken record because I mentioned this there, but get the sizing kit before you get an Aura ring. If you're thinking about purchasing an Aura ring, it's a pretty lofty and expensive purchase. Again, HSA and FSA approved. It's the end of the year, and I know you got to use up that FSA before the year runs out. If you got some remaining dollars, can be used on that too. But the sizing kit, so Aura can send you a sizing kit beforehand. You can purchase this. I got mine on Amazon. When I bought it from Amazon, you do get a 10% off credit. So it costs $10. There's a $10 off credit to go towards your purchase of the Aura ring. So when I purchased the Aura ring, I already had $10 off. So it was almost like this was free. Well, it is like it's free. It's not even doing girl math. It is free if you end up buying the Aura ring. If you don't, then you spent $10 on a sizer you didn't really need. But I think when you buy the sizer, you need to be pretty sure that you're going to actually buy the real thing and make sure the sizing kit that you get is for the ring that you're going to get. So this is the sizing kit for the Aura ring 4. I am so happy about this. So happy about this. Some people can say, oh, well, you can go to Best Buy and you can try the rings there. They have them at Best Buy. And I understand that. And I get that. I am so glad I slept in this ring. On the package of the sizing kit, it says wear it for 24 hours so you can get used to wearing it. And I was like, okay, I'll wear it for 24 hours. I'll do it. I bought it. I'm not in a rush. I'll do this. I know I'm a size 8 though. So I pulled out that size 8, put it on my finger. Felt good. It felt like every other size 8 that I always put on my hand. I was like, perfect. We're good to go. Went to sleep with the size 8 on my finger. Woke up in so much pain. I woke up out of my sleep because of the ring. Overnight, I don't know if my hands swell. I don't know if this has always happened because I sleep in oh my God, see? Having a problem right now. I sleep in my rings every single night. I don't take these rings off. My main staples, they always stay on. So I've never had a problem. And my ring size in most of my rings is a 7.5 or an 8. So I'm like, I'm an 8. I know I'm an 8. Why would I not be an 8? I had to bust on up to that 9. I put the 9 on, felt comfortable, it felt good. This is a size 9 on my finger right now. It feels good. I just say, yes, you can feel like you're a size whatever. 8 was too much. Not that 9 is going to flop off or anything like that. I think 9 feels comfortable. I just, if they had half sizes, I think that would have been even better. So if I'm not a content creator or an influencer enough, I hope I'm influencing you too, because this is an expensive purchase. At least make sure you get the right size. I do implore you to sleep in a sizer before you buy this if you think there's a possibility that your hands can swell, because I didn't even know that was a possibility for me. My hand is always ringed up at night. Didn't know my hand swelled. Something about this Oura ring. Love the purchase though so far. We'll probably do an update and probably later videos about how I'm feeling about it 1 month in and all of that. Or I might do it on my TikTok. If you follow me there, that's where I put miscellaneous things and I might talk about it there. Now at work, I'm a backpack girl. I am a quintessential. This is my go to work backpack. So my shoulder gets hurt, so I'm not a big tote bag person. I put my laptop, my iPad, and all of that in there and straps on the back. It looks professional. I got it from Target many, many moons ago. I know they don't still have it, but I bought it in store. Love this as my work backpack. However, it's black and I do wear other colors outside of black. You know, sometimes I bring a lighter color in. It's not that often, but it's a black, it's a beige, it's a cream, it's a taupe. It's a black a lot of the times though. However, I wanted a different option, so I went to Target to see what they had currently in their bags, and I bought this. It is also kind of a backpack where you can fit your laptop. It has the straps on the back. It's this kind of beigey, I say beige, yeah, more of a beige color. It has a front pocket at the front as well. So if you want to put like an iPad in here, I put my laptop in the back part. I thought this was cute for when I'm not just wearing black. Again, I cannot do a tote bag. It's just too much on my shoulders. And also backpacks, I know they typically try to hunt you over. I think I do a strategic job because I'm kind of heavy chested. I do a good job of trying to pull my back backwards. So backpack me all the way. It helps get everything out of my way too, so I can be kind of hands free. I'm not going into the office with 19 different things and all that. Hands free, badge myself in. Sometimes I don't even wear a purse to work. I just throw what was in my purse in my backpack and just go that way. So it's one bag. And then I bought a more white one as well. This is from Charles and Keith. It's a brand that's mainly known for a lot of shoes. I get ads for their shoes all the time, but I saw this cream backpack as well. I was like, I'm going to be able to switch out my backpacks in 2025. I won't just be a black backpack girl. I will have a taupe. I'll have a lighter, probably this summer. I'll probably wear more of the creams and the whites and all of that. Speaking of bags, this year has been a bag of the long chomp for me, or a year of the long chomp bag for me. I love this bag. Inexpensive. And no, is it leather? No, not at all. Is it durable though? Absolutely. This bag, I have one of those sizers that you can put in it to help it keep its shape, because long chomp bags do tend to droop. Mine doesn't droop because I got an Amazon insert for it. I'll link that down below as well. But I wear this bag all the time. All the time. So much so that it came in the mail just the other day. I did get a brown color version of it, just so when again I'm not wearing black all the time. I'm wearing black a lot, but I'm not wearing it all the time. I want a different color, so I got a camel colored bag. So this is what that looks like. Of course, it's the same size as the black one I do. It just looks kind of a little different right now because it doesn't have the sizer in there. But this is another long chomp bag. I think for me, it's just I don't want to always wear a leather quality bag all the time. I want something I can, I don't know, just be a mess with. Durable bag, long chomp me every single time, please. I wear that probably more than I do any other bag more recently. And I have, the Marc Jacobs tote, and I have my Speedy by LV. Not every occasion calls for these type of bags. Sometimes you just want a throw around bag. Next up, Sephora had a 20% off sale, which they do every holiday season. So people who don't buy during the Sephora savings event or the VIB sale, what it used to be called, but Sephora savings event, they have it twice a year. It's 20% off, 15% off, and 10% off. If you want to wait till December, they always, at least for the last 2 years, have had it where you get 20% off everybody. Everybody gets 20% off. It usually starts, I think it started December the 8th this year, 10th, 8th, whenever the case may be. It starts and it's 20% off for everybody, and then 30% off of Sephora collection products. And so I didn't need to partake again because I partook in the last sale. I have a whole video on my savings then, but I did get a couple of things that I wanted, so I didn't spend more than $100 this go around, which is great. I got the Danessa Myrick's Yummy Skin. I got her skin tint the last sale, and I have loved it down. I've had it for a month and a half now. Loved it down that I wanted to get the blurring balm powder. I know this is very popular. I bought it in the color 7, and I just got my Sephora order in like the other day. So this is why it's still kind of in the box and it's not out of the packaging just yet. I am so excited to try this. I hear so much great things about Danessa Myrick's products in general. I have now experienced the greatness that is Danessa Myrick. Next up, I got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, this time in the color Iced Coffee. I liked the last one. Another thing that I bought in the October sale, so October, I think it was the first week in November. So early November sale. I loved the hot cocoa. It was the shade I got the last time. I've been loving it. I've been loving it on my lips. So I bought the Summer Fridays. I can see this becoming more heavily used in the future as well. And then, of course, you guys already know I said this in my what I was going to get myself for Christmas. I said the fragrance that I was going to get was the Valentino Born in Roma Intense version. I did get the sample size, so the smaller size. Again, I have enough fragrances in the big bottle size. If I need to get it in the big size, which I probably will, I will get it in the big body size. Oh my gosh. I love Born in Roma. I love the regular version. And I said in my perfume collection video, if you've watched my perfume collection video, my only thing about why Born in Roma isn't higher on my list is that I want the longevity to be there. I want the projection to be there a bit more. I know it can be there. I know it can get there. And I got a comment that said the intense version is great. It's great. So I was like, solidification. I'm buying this intense version. So I only got those 3 items: the blurring balm powder, I got the Summer Fridays lip balm, and I got this fragrance. Again, I'm not trying to overhaul things. I'm just getting, things I've heard great things about. And again, my total was under $100. So I think I did pretty well. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. That's what I'm telling myself. Now, the next thing I got myself, if you can tell a difference in my audio, I got a Blue Yeti. Now, I got this a little bit before Black Friday. So I've had this for over a month now, and I hope you guys can tell a change in my quality. But something I did just recently get was the wind guard. I wonder if you guys can tell a difference between me without the wind guard or the sound. I don't know what this is. I call it a wind guard because it's a wind guard on my other camera, but it's just, I guess, it helps with the sound where it's not picking up so much in the back and so much everywhere else. I like the smoothness that this provides, but you guys let me know. Are you feeling a difference? Can you tell a difference? I'm not editing anything in post. What you're hearing should be the sound. I did my testings with this. This was only like $6. The mic itself was, I believe, $89. And I said, again, this is just an investment in my channel. My channel, I get paid from it every month. I should reinvest back into my channel and the quality of the items that I'm doing. I shouldn't be here for 8 years and not have a high quality mic. I've been using $7, $6 mics this whole time, and it's been working. It's been working, but I said, Blue Yeti me up this year. Let me invest in myself a bit. Now, last but not least, my last gift to myself was I bought this actually on Black Friday so I could get some savings on it. It was an Air Essentials suit from Spanx. Spanx, I love the feel. One of you guys actually put me onto this. This is not something I can take credit for. You guys were like, you like to travel so much. You like the airport outfits and the fit's got to be fitting. Have you looked into the Spanx Air Essentials line? And I was like, but it's so expensive. But I bit the bullet. I bought one pair and I fell in love. So I bought a pair this Black Friday. The one con I have about them, and this is the new pair. I want to see if the new pair is the same. It appears to be the same. It doesn't have pockets. It doesn't have pockets, Spanx. Like every time I want to put my phone in my pocket, I can. It doesn't even have like in the hoodie, like a thing I can put my hands in. No, I don't love that, Spanx, but I love the feel of it. If you're looking for a good dupe, another thing I got this holiday season I love this too. It is from Amazon, and it to me is exactly the same as the Spank Air Essentials. And the one bigger thing I love about it is it has pockets. It has pockets. So I put this, I have the brown version. I have, if you watch my Aruba vlog, I came to Aruba in a Spanx. I left Aruba in an Amazon. I might have liked that Amazon a bit better. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. My only con was that it was light, and y'all know I like a good soda, I like a good Cinnabon in the airport. I was like, I need something that's not beige. I need a darker color. I went as dark as I could. I also have it on my Christmas list for my family because they were like, well, what do you want? And I was like, well, this year I'm going to tell you what I actually want. And I texted my mom. I sent her the link to this, and I was like, I want it in navy. I want it in navy because I love it that much. If you're looking for like a just good, not even just airport, I think I'm wearing this around the city too. Like, the city gonna see me this winter in my both my Spanx, but I think my tides have turned on the Spanx. I think they're great. I think they feel good. Everything is awesome about the Spanx, but I going forward am probably only gonna recommend the Amazon version of them because they're that good. They that good. The last but not least thing that I have not even received yet, but I'm going to put it on screen as I'm talking. Third Love. Third Love. I bought some new bras from there. I've never tried Third Love before. You guys let me know how they perform because, you know, by the time you're watching this, I've received them, but right now they're shipping. I bought 2 bras. They were having a Cyber Monday, Black Friday sale, which if I think about the timing on this, it did take a while to ship and get here, but maybe they had a lot. Supply chain. Supply chain this season is crazy. But I did buy Third Love. This year, I just want to get bras that fit me. That was my goal to myself this year, was to know my size and stop playing games with just these am I double D, triple D. No, I'm an H and I need to sit firm in my H-ness. So I bought 2 H cups minimizers. The ads got me. The ads, I think it was on either TikTok or Instagram, talking about the minimization of a cup size. I saw a demonstration. All you got to do is do a demonstration of minimalization of some cup sizes and you got your girl. You bought me over. You didn't have to do a lot of work. You twisted my hand and I'm with you on it. So I bought these bras from Third Love again because they were on sale, and I'm very excited to try them. So those were what I got myself for Christmas. I think everything I got made sense for me and what I wanted this year. You guys tell me what was on your list. What did you get yourself? What other gifts get you? I hope that you guys, as I'm uploading this, it'll be after the holidays. I hope you guys had a happy holiday. I hope you guys were able to enjoy it, enjoy yourself, enjoy your friends, enjoy your family. But also don't forget about yourself. Going into 2025, the word for your year should be treat yourself. Treat yourself, because is anybody else treating you? Maybe they are. Treat yourself even if others are treating you as well. And I hope you guys have a happy new year ahead. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at LiaLavon89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at LiaLavon, which is a few more shenanigans and a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.